In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify Access Token. This token is essential if you want to connect custom apps, use Shopify APIs, or integrate third-party tools with your store. Don't worry though, the process is actually much easier than it sounds. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. From here, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify manages all installed apps and developer integrations for your store. Next, click on Develop Apps. If custom app development is disabled, Shopify may ask you to enable it first. Simply follow the prompts and confirm to continue. Now click on Create an App. You'll be asked to enter an app name. Choose a clear name that helps you identify what the app will be used for. Then click Create App again. Once the app is created, navigate to API credentials. This section is extremely important because it controls the permissions and access levels for your app. Now scroll to Configure Admin API Scopes or Storefront API Scopes depending on your needs. Here you'll see a list of permissions your app can access, such as products, orders, customers, inventory, and more. Select the permissions your app requires carefully. It's always best to only enable the scopes you actually need for security purposes. After choosing your scopes, click Save. Now go back to the top and click Install App. Shopify will ask for confirmation because installing the app officially connects it to your store. Click Install once again to proceed. After installation is complete, return to the API Credentials section. Here, you'll now see your Admin API Access Token. Click Reveal Token to display it, then copy and securely store the token somewhere safe because Shopify only shows the full token once. This access token is what allows your custom app or external software to communicate securely with your Shopify store through the API. For more API documentation and developer resources, you can also visit the official Shopify developer docs. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Shopify Access Token and your app is now ready to interact with your store securely. Thanks for watching.